Hello students, today we discuss the topic polyphosphazine, which is a inorganic polymer. First of all, what is polymer? Polymer is the high molecular mass unit which contain large number of repeating unit, and this repeating unit is called monomer unit. Polymer may be organic polymer, may be inorganic polymer. In the organic polymer, main chain of the polymer is made up of carbon atom, but in the inorganic polymer, main chain of the polymer is made up of atom other than carbon. It may be phosphorus, it may be silicon. In polyphosphazine, main chain of the polymer is made up of atom phosphorus and nitrogen. So, polyphosphazine is a polymer in which main chain is made up of phosphorus atom. So, it is a phosphorus based polymer. It may be cyclic or it may be chain polymer. The repeating unit in the polyphosphazine is NPR2 unit. Here R may be chlorine, fluorine, bromine, methoxy, ethoxy and another group. Commonly phosphazines are cyclic trimer, cyclic tetramer and linear polymer. In the cyclic trimer structure, 3 NPR2 units are repeated in which phosphorus and nitrogen have alternate single and double bond and arranged in hexagonal ring. In the cyclic tetramer structure, there are 4 nitrogen and 4 phosphorus have the alternate single and double bond. In the chain polymer, NPR2 is the repeating unit. If R is chlorine, then the polymer is called phosphonitrile chloride or polychlorophosphazine. Now, the preparation of polychlorophosphazine or polyphosphazine or phosphonitrile chloride. First preparation, if phosphorus pentachloride react with ammonium chloride in the chlorocarbon solvent tetrachloroethane and reflux at 140 degrees Celsius, phosphonitrile chloride is formed with a mixture of cyclic trimer and cyclic tetramer. This cyclic trimer and cyclic tetramer is separated from each other by the process of distillation. And this trimer or tetramer is get converted into polymer, long chain polymer by heating above temperature 250 degrees Celsius. Now, if we want to prepare phosphonitrile fluoride, polychlorophosphazine को रिप्लेस करके अगर हम पॉलीफ्लोरोफॉस्फाजिन को प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, उस केस में हम फॉस्फोरस पेंटाक्लोराइड और अमोनियम फ्लोराइड की डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज अमोनियम फ्लोराइड इट एक्ट एज फ्लोरिनेटिंग एजेंट. इट डज नॉट फॉर्म द फॉस्फोनाइट्रिलिक फ्लोराइड, इट फॉर्म द NH4PF6. So it prepared by the reaction of trimer of phosphonitrile chloride or tetramer of phosphonitrile chloride with potassium fluoride in the presence of solvent SO2. Here Kf is the fluorinating agent and SO2 is the solvent, and it formed the trimer and tetramer of the phosphonitrile fluoride. If we want to prepare the phosphonitrile bromide or polybromophosphazine, it formed by the reaction of phosphorus pentabromide with ammonium bromide in the presence of excess of bromine. Now, structure of the trimer of the polychlorophosphazine. It has the 3 repeating units NPR2, 3 repeating units, 3 monomer unit is repeated in this structure. It has a hexagonal ring and the angle here is 118 degrees and the angle here is 108 degree. Hybridization structure. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. S and 2p orbital are used in the hybridization. In the phosphorus atomic number is 15. In the ground state, its configuration is 3s2, 3p3 and the d orbital is vacant. But in the excited state, it has 3s has 1 electron and 3p3 has 3 electron and 1 electron of the s orbital is excited to the d orbital for the sp3 hybridization. there is this pz electron and this d electron are used to form the pi bond in this trimer. So there is pi d pi bonding. It is a type of pi bonding, d pi p pi bonding, which is of two type. In this chlorophosphazine, pi bonding is two type. First is the pseudo aromatic bonding, which is called heteromorphic pi bonding. In this type of bonding, pz orbital of the nitrogen and dxz orbital of the phosphorus overlap with each other, hybridize with each other to form the pi bonding. The symmetry of this dxz orbital is not matched with the pz orbital symmetry. So there is a node due to the symmetry is not matching with the orbitals. But in the homomorphic pi bonding, symmetry of the overlapped orbital are the dyz orbital of the phosphorus and pz orbital of the nitrogen. So here the symmetry of the nitrogen and phosphorus is same for the overlapping. So there is symmetry matching and there is no node. For describe the bonding of this chlorophosphazine, another model is give, which is called the Iceland model. According to this model, dxz or dyz orbital overlap to form two orbitals, two hybrid orbitals. These orbitals directed toward the nitrogen atom and allows the formation of three center bond. dxz or dyz orbital of these phosphors form two orbital and directed toward the nitrogen atom to form the three center bond. Two hybrid orbital of phosphors are orthogonal to each other, which form the node at the phosphorus atom. So there are three nodes at the three phosphors. This is Iceland model for the chlorophosphazine structure. Now the structure of tetramer of the chlorophosphazine called the octachlorocyclophosphazine. This structure is tube-like or tub-like structure. It can exist in two forms, chair form or the boat form. Chair form is more stable in comparison to boat form. Now, chemical property. Chlorophosphazine, it may be in polymer form, maybe in trimer form, and maybe in tetramer form. It gives the displacement reactions. Here we saw some displacement reaction of this chlorophosphazine. When it reacts with sodium fluoride, fluorine of the sodium fluoride displaces this chlorine and form the PnF2 fluorophosphazines. When it reacts with Grignard reagent, it forms the PnCH3 twice. When it reacts with sodium thiocyanate, this thiocyanate group replaces the chlorine of the chlorophosphazine. Reaction of dimethylamine, it replaces the chlorine of the chlorophosphazine with its methyl group. If it reacts with NaOR, the methoxy group of this replaces the chlorine of the chlorophosphazine. So it gives the displacement reactions when it reacts with these reagents. Now, physical properties of chlorophosphazine. Trimer has the melting point 104 degree and boiling point 256 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in ether, benzene and CCl4. It is insoluble in water. It has many range. It may be in the fluid form, maybe in liquid form, maybe in solid form, or maybe in the elastomer form. It look like vulcanized rubber, so it is also called the inorganic rubber. So it is a inorganic rubber. Uses of polyphosphazine. It used to make membrane in electrodialysis process, microfiltration process, ultrafiltration process, and reverse osmosis. It used to form large range of polymers. It used as flame retardant and used for making gaskets. Fluorinated phosphazine is used in aircrafts also. So thank you students. Revise it and remember it.